guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this earring. So we have our materials here. I have seed beads. I'm using size 3. I have my pearls here. I'm using size 6. I have my earring hook and also have my thread. So let's start. First, you get your thread. Make sure you get enough thread. Then put 6 pearls and 6 seed beads, just the way I did it. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we have 6 beads. When you are done, you knot it. You knot it. Make sure you knot it well. Hey, boy. So this is it. I will now go ahead and pass this thread into this pearl. I'll pass it into this pearl. As you can see. Please don't forget that you can use needle. If you like using needle, you can use needle. So I'll go ahead and put one pearl, one seed bead, and another pearl. One pearl, one seed bead, and another pearl. So I'll pass it into that same pearl. I'll pass it into that same pearl. I'll pass the thread into this seed bead and this pearl. So I'll pass it into this seed bead and this pearl, into this and this. So as you can see, I'll go ahead and put one pearl, one seed bead, and another pearl. So I'll go ahead and pass it through here, through the pearl. I'll pass it into the pearl, as you can see. So I'll go ahead, pass the rope into this seed bead and this pearl, into this seed bead and this pearl. Passing it into the seed bead, as you can see. Then I'll still pass it into the pearl. So I'll go ahead and put one pearl, one seed bead, and another pearl. One pearl, one seed bead, and another pearl. I'll still pass it through this pearl. I'll pass it through this pearl. So I'll still go ahead, pass it into the seed bead and this pearl. I'll pass the thread into the seed bead and the pearl. I'll put one pearl, one seed bead, one pearl. I'll still go ahead and pass it into this pearl. I'll pass it into this seed bead and into this pearl. I'll put one pearl, one seed bead, and another pearl. This is it. I'll go ahead, pass it into this pearl. So I'll go ahead, pass the thread into this seed bead and this pearl. So I will put one pearl, one seed bead, and another pearl. I'll go ahead and pass the thread into this pearl. Then I will still pass this thread into this last seed bead. I'll pass it into this last seed bead. So this is it. I will now go ahead and pass it into this pearl. I'll pass it into this pearl. And again, I'll pass it into this seed bead. This is it. I'll go ahead and put 3 seed beads. Three seed beads. 3 seed beads. I'll get the earring hook. I'll put the earring hook. So I'll go ahead and put another 2 seed beads. This is it. So now I'll pass the thread into this seed bead. So I'll go ahead and pass the thread into all the seed beads. Into the earring hook. So now I'll put the thread here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put the thread here make it tight. I'll put it there again. There. Then I'll tie it. Make it tight. Then I'll go ahead and pass the thread into the beads before I cut. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on my video. Thank you.